what I prioritize is core than any in-person events. So when I joined Chief, I was based in New York City. I now live in Denver. So when I go back to New York, I try to fit in if there are any in-person events there, especially at the clubhouse. Love the clubhouse as well. Similarly, in Denver, there's actually an event today. So after I get off the phone here, I will be going down to our community working hours. I do feel that, that opportunities for those in-person connections are really meaningful. So I prioritize that. And then after that, there is just so much content. It's easy to get overwhelmed. If you go into the Chief app or you go onto the website. So what I've done in those moments when it's been really overwhelming is actually just block time on my calendar once a week. Like a half an hour on a Friday morning to sort of catch up on Chief. So get into the app. Okay, what's coming up? Are there any interesting webinars that could be good? Are there any interesting groups? Reflect a little bit on my core group. So I just actually plan, like everything we do, put it in the calendar. Put it in the calendar, it doesn't exist, right? And so I don't always do that, but I feel like I've gone through seasons for like 6 months at a time. I'll put that into my calendar because there is so much rich content. And I love, as I said, the in-person events, but also joining live for any of the virtual events is great because the community in the chat or the community in the Q&A is also fantastic, and people are sharing their LinkedIns and people are reacting.